Good morning. I'm going to teach you today class 8 subject computer. The lesson name is concept network concept. Okay. Components of a network. नेटवर्क के कुछ अवयव होते हैं. सेंडर्स, सेंडर स्पीकर्स, through communication equipment which is a telephone at this end. Communication channel, the telephone converts the sender's voice into a signal with an is a carried through the telephone cables to the receiver's end. Receiver, at receiver in the signal research to the communication equipment telephone which converts the signal back to voice from the receivers. Now listen to this voice through the telephone at this end. Networking, transmission media. Okay, cable are commonly used to carry communication signal with an LAN. There are three common types of a cable. तीन प्रकार के केबल होते हैं. Of cables, media that can be used to connect devices to a network, and they are axial cables, twisted para cables and fiber optical cable. Axial cable, axial cable is a copper wire. ये तांबे का होता है, ये कॉपर वायर का होता है. सिमिलर टू द यूज्ड फॉर टीवी केबल्स, और ये टीवी केबल के समान होता है. It provides better protection from interference by providing a metallic shields. It provides a barrier of a electromagnetic radiation, both incoming and outgoing. There are two types of a axial cables. Ethernet. It is a flexible axial cables about 1/4 inch thin used for short distance. Thinking. It is a 1/2 inch thin and support data transfers over longer distance. Twisted para cable is the most common types of a cabling used in today's LAN, local area networks. A para of a wires from a circuits that can transmission data. It is a lightweight, easy to install, inexpensive and support many different types of a networks. It also supports the speed of 100 Mbps. It is made up of para of a solid copper twisted wires along each other's. Optical fibers. Okay, optical fibers use light to transmission data. Transmitters at on end use a light emitting diode LED or layers to send light down the fibers, which are dedicated at the others end by a light sensitive transistors. No, there are two types of a fibers. Optical cables, single mode fibers. It uses a single area of light of light to carry transmissions over long distance. Multi-mode fibers. It uses multi areas of a light, each or of lights running at a different reflections, again to carry the transmission over short distance. Network instructions device. Okay, next paragraph. Network instructions controller NIC. It is also known as a network interface carried. Network at part LAN, local area network at part. It is a computer computer that connects a computer to a computer networks. It allows computers to communication over a computer network's modem. It converts the long signal modem of telephone into digital single modem of computer and voice. Various modems come in two forms: an external box that links to your computer either through a serial or USB part, and an internal mode that is a plugged directly to the मदरबोर्ड इनसाइड दैट ए कंप्यूटर, वो मदरबोर्ड की बाहर साइड होता है. वाईफाई मोडेम्स. इन एडिंग टू टेलीफोन मोडेम्स, रेडियो हैज़ ए नाउ बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर एज अ means of a communication to the internet. The device that allows you to do this is called the Wi-Fi modem. Switch. A switch is a device that is used to connect computer in a network. It sends the data to the distracts. It records the address of all the computer connect to it. A switch has usually 24 parts or 48 parts. Hub. Next point, hub. Hub, where the common network informations device used for LAN, continuously network devices, service works, worksheet, printer, scanner, etc. are attached to the hub by individual network cables. Hubs usually come in different shape and different numbers of parts. Thank you.